to want to acquire our facilities inside. Oh, what is attracted to stay here? Oh, this area, when you buy a merchandiser, we pass this area.
Public road. So that's where it ends. So we can then take it from there as a private property.
No! I know the issues. You are allowed to come in. How? This is where the kids are registered. Wait, Kosi. Come down. This is not going to happen. We're not going to go there. So chances because Machabaru can be violent and refute security. So now we are here to deliver this. Let's go the four of us. Read the message. We'll come back and address our